Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. On request, the stock being taken today is GITANJALI GEMS Limited. The Excel spreadsheet in front of you is an Excel program where we put financial data of a particular stock and arrive at a conclusion on to whether to invest in this company or not at this point of time. The data are taken from an app known as the Stock Edge app. So let's go to GITANJALI GEMS. Here we could see that the last traded price of GITANJALI GEMS was 1.34 on 29th of October 2018. Now let's go to the fundamental tab and understand about the sector, industry and the company. So the sector is diamond and jewelry. And industry is diamond and jewelry. Let's understand about the company. Incorporated in 1986, one of the leading players in jewelry segment. The business area of the company includes diamonds, jewelry and retailing. In retailing, the company is also engaged in retailing its diamonds and jewelry. Currently, the company markets over 40 brands that are owned and franchised under its retail chain GITANJALI Lifestyle. So that was about the company. Now let's come to the financial indicator. We'll be putting this financial value onto our Excel program. First is market cap, which is 15.89 crores. Earning per share is 16.56. Price to earning ratio is 0.08. Industry price to earning ratio is 35.73. Book value per share is 566.68. Price to book value is 0. Dividend is 59.70. The face value of the company is 10 and the number of shares subscribed is 11.86 crores. From the financial indicator, we could see that it has given us a signal of buy. Now coming on to return ratios. For that, click on ratios tab. We could see the return ratio. The return on equity is 2.6. Return on capital employed is 5.98. Return on asset is 0.75. Overall return ratio has given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Now coming to efficiency ratio, the first is EBITDA margin, which is 5.78. EBIT margin is 5.32. PAT margin is 1.01. Earning per share is 14.14. Asset turnover ratio is 0.75. Days of receivables is 268.38. Days of payables is 158.65. Days of inventory is 142. So clearly efficiency ratio has also given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. Now coming to growth ratio, the first is net sales growth, which is 18.49. EBITDA growth is 0.67. Net profit growth is 57.99 and EPS growth is 39.65. So overall growth ratio has also given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Now coming on to solvency ratio, the most important ratio in shortlisting any stock. The first parameter is total debt to equity ratio, which is 1.26. When we click on 1.26, we get to know that the total debt on the company is 8,254.34 crores, whereas the net worth of the company is 6,562.32 crores. Interest coverage ratio is 1.22. When we click on 1.22, we get to know that EBIT is 882.5 crores, whereas interest payment that the company is making every year is 721.09 crores. The current ratio of the company is 1.25. So overall solvency ratio has not given us a signal to buy this stock at this point of time. Coming on to cash flow ratio. The first is cash flow per share, which is positive 62.65 and free cash flow per share is negative 2.54. So overall a buy signal in terms of cash flow ratio as well. Coming on to valuation ratio. The first is price to earning ratio, which is 4.67. Price to book ratio is 0.12. Price to cash flow ratio is 1.05. EV to EBITDA ratio is 9.14 and market cap to sales ratio is 0.05. So overall valuation ratio has also given us a signal to hold on to our investment at this point of time. The program in its entirety has given us a signal to not to invest in this company at this point of time. Hope you might have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Further, if anyone of you wants to perform fundamental analysis of any of your stock, can write to me in the comment section below. Thank you.